The relentless spread of COVID-19 has cast a shadow over global food safety practices, sparking urgent changes. To navigate these challenges, Elpress shares vital cleaning strategies tailored for the food processing industry. If your business prioritizes food safety and sanitization, this insightful guide is crafted just for you. Understanding the distinction between cleaning and sanitizing is critical to maintaining a safe food environment. Cleaning involves removing dirt and waste, while sanitizing targets harmful organisms to ensure safe food production. Best practices in cleaning safeguard businesses from cross-contamination and potential reputational damage. In food processing, two main cleaning methods exist: dry cleaning for low-moisture environments and wet cleaning. Wet cleaning is essential, involving rinsing, foaming, and disinfecting to ensure equipment and surfaces are hygienic. Elpress's three-step cleaning process begins with an effective rinse to remove coarse dirt from all surfaces. Finally, innovative solutions like Elpress's hygienic entrances promote personal hygiene, safeguarding against cross-contamination effectively.